You live in the city but want to have a fire in your backyard? This is what you do. Rent a pizza oven, and then you can have a fire and pizza at the same time. Let's get into it. So I've never rented one of these before or done anything like this, so this should be interesting. Apparently it cooks pizza in 60 seconds, so we'll see about that, but I gotta get a fire going in it. And apparently you can just make a fire in here and it'll heat it, and then the smoke comes out of there. Yeah, we'll see. Just bought some pre-cut wood. It looks a little big for it, so we're gonna we're gonna improvise as we go. That's what the saw is for. I'll cut the wood down to the size I need. Oh, it fits barely. So I think you just need like a little fire, nothing crazy. I also be mindful of my neighbors. I don't want to have a rager going in the back of the pizza oven here. And I got one of these, just typical fire starter, just make life easy. Yeah, and you obviously just want to be very mindful of fire. It says you can do this on the deck, so we're gonna see. Got my water for safety here. Once the fire starts to go down, I believe you're supposed to put bigger logs on. And because this is a rental, you never know what you're gonna get. Look at this. The door doesn't stay open, or it doesn't close. So yeah, as you see all like the char there, I'm going to get rid of that before I do anything, obviously. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'll figure it out. But yeah, it's like that, and then you just let it warm up. So you can see the thermometer is already going if you hold the door. So we'll see what it's like. Might be slow, a little bit slower to make the pizza. It's starting to smell like pizza, even though I haven't cooked anything yet on it. I guess it's just the residue from other people's pizza who've rented this. So they said, when I was renting this, they said your first pizza will be terrible. It'd be like, it means you're gonna burn it completely. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna pop one in soon just to experiment here. And it's also like surprisingly not hot under it, which I was kind of worried about. But no, as long as you watch it, you don't have to worry too much about your fire. Some ash came out here, but that's just from the cedar starting because it pops like crazy. Don't think this is gonna go. I thought it'd be a clever idea, but I think it's gonna take too long. Yeah, it doesn't even, you see below, it doesn't even melt the snow at all, which is really good. The stones really work at retaining the heat, so you don't have to worry about your deck or anything burning. Man, I need a new axe. Picking up the heat now. Yeah, it doesn't slide off at all.
Give it back. I got a plan.
So it wouldn't, we didn't get the right, for the life of me, I can't remember what you're supposed to use. It's kind of like, it's not flour, because flour burns, to let the pizza slide. So it seems to slide on the cutting board. So we're gonna use the cutting board and I'll pull it out after. Sure. And because the door doesn't latch, I have to do it myself. So right away, I don't think I put it in far enough. So it's probably gonna take longer. Yeah, it needs to go in farther. Yeah, so you get to have a fire in the city because you're cooking something, so it's technically it's legal. Obviously, if you do this during the summertime, everyone has their windows open, so you have to talk to your neighbors. But it's winter, so everyone has their windows closed, so they shouldn't be getting smoked out. Yeah, and you just gotta watch it. But you get to have a fire. Oh yeah, it's starting to cook. So it says to do a turn around the 30-second mark, but I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. Oh yeah, I can smell burning. That's when you know it's done. So this is it so far. You can see, oh yeah, it works. It's quick. So let's give it a turn. But this is really small. Like I have a little Hyundai Elantra, and it fits in the trunk, no problem. It's around, I would say it's probably around, it says online it's 66 pounds, but I would say it's closer to probably like 40 pounds. It's not that heavy. So, now here we go. It's going, see, it's starting to burn, it's cooking. That looks pretty much done. I'm just gonna do a little bit longer. With the front. Look at that. And depending how you like your crust, if you like it more crispy, you put it in longer. But this is perfect. Take that, rental person saying I'd burn it. Perfect. So I'm gonna cut this up. I did not bring anything to cut it up with outside. If I was really manly, I'd use my axe, but then I have to clean my axe. I don't feel like doing that. It's good. It's actually a perfect pizza. Here we go. I would highly suggest people trying this. Now I'm getting smoked out. And the purpose why we got this is because we have people coming over. It's my birthday in a couple days, so we're gonna have a little pizza party. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I would recommend trying this because you get a fire and some pizza while you're in the city. I'll see you in the next video.